Hey everybody, it's Brent in Central Arkansas. Today we're going to do a carrot reveal. I always really like these reveals. They're surprising. You never know what you're going to get. It's kind of like a Christmas present. Today we're going to plant some carrots. And you can see here I've got 2 containers, and that's what we're going to plant in the winter greenhouse. And my medium, you've seen it a few times. This particular grow is peat moss, a little bit of lime, hydrated lime to counter the acidity of the peat moss, and of course parboiled rice hulls. And it's a wheelbarrow. I mixed it in and what I'm using. Now I've had pretty good success growing carrots in containers. I've grown Tendersweet, Dosiva, and Scarlet Nantes. But when I'm watching the UK folks over there in the United Kingdom, and I watch their carrot grows and their parsnip grows and all that, and how they grow in sand and all that, I'm envious of the way they grow. But one of the things I really wanted that they have is a carrot variety called Sweet Candle. And everywhere I look in the United States, I can't find them. So I did order some from England. Okay, there you go. See if I can get the focus in for you. There we go. Carrot F1 Sweet Candle. And it's got the website there. Okay, I've already planted this one. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's really simple. I just take some in my finger like that, and I just kind of sprinkle them along. No scientific methodology here. Decided to use some old greenhouse plastic. It's really old. And what I did was I just laid it on here, marked it with, I just took my fingernail and went around the rim here, and it made a cutout where I can just cut it with scissors. And I've already done one, and you can see it's just sitting on top here, and that'll be fine for germination. I'll keep the moisture in, and the plants won't be bothered. As soon as I see that they're germinating, I'll just lift up, I'll remove that, and we'll be good to go. These are Sweet Candle, and they have great germination. Check it out. And these looking pretty good. All right, let's put the gloves on. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pot, I'm going to turn it on its side here, and I'm going to attempt to get it all out without separating everything. Let's see if we can do that without pulling it out a little bit at a time, so we get the whole root ball. So we can just kind of inspect it. Okay. Alright. That's the pot. Yeah. Not a whole lot of roots towards the bottom here, and that kind of makes me wonder how big the carrots are. There's only this much space. So anyway, let's start disassembling it. I'm going to start by shaking it. That's a tiny little thing. All right. Huh, these just didn't grow very long. Unlike Tendersweet, which grows longer, a good bit longer, there's some good girth to them at the top, but they're kind of stumpy. Let's continue taking it apart here. I hope they taste good. Being that they're not a whole lot of length to them. I have a feeling that the guys over there in England, where these originate from, where I see them do it all the time, that one's pretty good. I have a feeling they know how to grow these exceptionally well. That's kind of weird. Alright, I'll lay them out just so you can get an idea, and then we'll clean them up too. So there you go. That's the harvest of sweet candle carrots. And this is the take. Not very long, but there's a good many of them. Let's do the rinse like I always do. Yeah, that's what a carrot's supposed to look like, right? Let me finish rinsing them and I'll bunch them for a final shot. This is my treat. It's got a green end because it was exposed to light. I want to eat all the way up to my thumb here and just tell you what it tastes like to me, because these are the infamous sweet candles from the UK. They're crunchy. They are sweet. Maybe it's a time of year, or maybe I got wrong seed or something, but I like the tender sweets a lot better. That's kind of disappointing. But they're going to make some great soups and stews. Alright, here they are. Cleaned up to the point where I have to take the greens off before I can bring them in the house. But that's it. I'm not going to weigh them. These are just kind of, you know, they're okay. They're okay. Quit complaining, Brent. Those are fine carrots. We'll see you guys later. Did you know you can subscribe to me? Check it out. Click right here on the subscribe button. See that? It's got a little check next to it. If you click on the little bell to the right of it, it'll bring up a little notification that says send me all notifications for the channel every time I make a video. Click save. You'll get an email notification that I have made a new video. This is for those who don't know. Thanks for watching. You guys take care.